Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a Texas driver's license step by step. So if you're living in Texas and you're looking to get your driver's license, this is the perfect video for you. This is really helpful because the process is actually much simpler than most people think. And a lot of it can be started online. So I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what you need so that you don't waste time or miss anything. So first, what you're going to do is go to dpstexas.gov. This is the official website of the Texas Department of Public Safety. So from here, you can start your driver's license application online. Once you're on the website, look for the section that explains how to apply a Texas driver's license. This part is very important because Texas uses what's called Real ID document check application. This is where they ask you to upload and verify your documents before moving forward. And during this process, they will ask for your personal information and documents so that they can verify everything. So just take your time and make sure all the details are correct. Now, if you are not a US citizen, do not apply unless you meet the requirements. You will need proof of Texas residency, proof of identity, a social security number, evidence of Texas vehicle registration, and proof of insurance for Texas vehicle. And as you go through the application, they will ask for specific documents such as an original or certified copy of your birth certificate, your social security card, your current Texas vehicle registration, and your current auto insurance. If your name has changed, you also need legal documents that show proof of that name change. Just go through each question carefully and upload the correct documents when asked. And once everything is reviewed and approved, you'll be on your way to completing the remaining steps required for your Texas driver's license. And that's basically it. If you follow these steps and submit the right documents, you'll have a fully documented Texas driver's license process started the right way. So thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful and want more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.